Hey everybody, in this video we'll talk about converting between logarithmic and exponential equations. So in order to rewrite this expression as an exponential equation, let's first take a look at what we have. Log base 7 of 7 equals 1. So our base is 7, which means in exponential form, that is my base. And remember, logarithmic form is saying my base raised to what power equals my argument. So here's my base, here's my argument. It's got to equal that argument, and then it's got to be raised to the 1 power. My base does. Now, let's get that on there. Is this a true statement? 7 to the 1 equals 7. Yes, it is. As long as my equal sign in the first one is true, it's actually equal, then when I put it in exponential form, I will get an equivalent statement. Now, to rewrite something as a logarithmic equation, okay, I need to look at my base. So my base is 2. So log base 2. And then I have to say, okay, what is my argument? 1 over 32. That's going to be equal to the exponent. Because again, log is just a way to rewrite this exponential form. And I say 2 is my base. And then it's equal to my exponent. So just make sure you are keeping things consistent with these and that you understand where each piece is going for either direction.